Hello everyone, this is Persuram Bhattacharya, your course instructor for MAC 1105C. We're supposed to meet, face to face starting tomorrow in our classroom, but I have got COVID positive, so until I get COVID negative result, I won't be able to come to the class. So until then, we're going to use Zoom for our meeting. So first of all, welcome to the course. I'm very excited to see you all, tomorrow virtually and then, at some point face to face, you know, in regular classroom. But until then, we're going to use Zoom. So in this video, I'm going to talk how to use Zoom, how you can connect with me. Okay, so let's go here. I'm going to take you to your course shell. This is your course shell. Uh, Go here, log in your D2L course account and go to this course, MAC 1105C, and click the communication tab. And whenever you click the communication tab, you will be able to see Zoom link. And when you click that, you will be able to see the link for tomorrow class. Okay. Depending on your class time, it might be 11 a.m. or maybe 8 a.m. I teach two different MAC 1105C course. So, depending on your class time, it will appear here. Just click that link and you will be able to connect with me during the class time tomorrow. Okay. Uh, I know, some of you might have some trouble, using computer or Zoom, but try your best because this is very difficult time and we need to work as a team. And what I want you to do is, before you come for the class, all the information about your course is given inside D2L. So go to the course content, and then from there you will be able to start the course. So at least for tomorrow, just click this syllabus and then read all the information inside this syllabus. Okay. Make sure that when we meet physically in regular classroom, marks is required. Uh, and then, other things like I do have office hour, all these things, uh, all the information it's given here in this syllabus. And one more thing, for this course, we're using Alex. So there is information about how to, uh, you know, uh, access your Alex account. It's all available here. I'm going to talk about that thing tomorrow as well, but if you can start today, then that will be better. When you click the Alex link, uh, you can start the Alex, uh, and there the first thing you need to do is you need to take initial knowledge check, and in that assignment, just have good amount of time, let's say 2 hours time, and take that assignment very, very seriously. Based on your foundation or background, Alex is going to create different pathways for you. So it's individually for you. So don't do any cheating because that will be not helpful for your learning. Just be honest, just have some good amount of time, let's say 90 minutes to 2 hour time to take that initial knowledge check. I'm going to talk about this thing tomorrow as well, but if you can start early today, then that will be helpful. But remember, until I get COVID negative result, we're going to use Zoom. And then from tomorrow during the class time, you will be able to connect with me by clicking here at communication and then Zoom and click the link for the Zoom. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bring your questions if you have any. And one more time, welcome to the course, and we will have very good time, uh, you know, together. Okay, all the best, and see you tomorrow.